Hi, so today here at CATCO, I'm going to talk to you how to mount an IGH to a weather cover and a weather cover to a pipe. So to mount our IGH to a weather cover is pretty simple. There's a plate in the back of the IGH. At the very top of the plate, there is 2 holes to mount bolts on. At the very bottom, there's 2 holes again. Our weather cover inside will have multiple mounting points, but there are 4 that will match up with the sizing of the IGH. Once you securely bolt on your IGH to the weather cover, you're all set there. Now time to install the weather cover onto a 2-inch pipe. You will take the U-bolts included, you will mount them onto your piping, and you will adjust as needed to where the 2 mounting points on top are and 2 mounting points on the bottom are. And we suggest using the mounting points that are slightly above and below the IGH for easier mounting. And with some help, of course, you will take the weather cover, start putting it against the actual pole, and make sure that you feed those U-bolts into the mounting points. And then you will take your hardware, fasten everything down so there's no movement, no wiggle at all once it's securely mounted onto your 2-inch pipe. And then after that, you're all ready to go. You have a weather cover that's mounted on, and you also have an IGH that's mounted inside your weather cover ready to go. So if you need any follow-up help with the weather cover installed to the piping or the IGH installed to the weather cover, please reach out to us and we'll be happy to give you more information as we go along.